Hi, it is Be Funnier with Stephanie McHugh. This week I have Boots, my shot, there we go. Boots helping me out. We are talking about the powerful use of words. Let's say, for example, Boots is my audience and I have a choice. I could say either rodent or I could say squirrel. Clearly, one word has more impact than the other. One of my favorite all-time comedy books is Comedy Writing Secrets by Mel Helitzer, and the funniest sound is the K sound, K. For babies even, universally, we go coo coo coo. Squirrel, clearly, it has more impact. It's just a funnier word. I know. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week with another video for Be Funnier, how you can add humor to your presentation. Bye.